Okay, we are here after 1 week of the programming boot camp. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sumit Narayan. I'm doing a bachelor in software engineering. This is my third year, and I was able to know this working of this boot camp from my lecturer, Dr. Rohitash Chandra, because I was lacking of some of all of the basic concepts of programming and coding. Because of my last recent 2 years, I was not able to obtain the quality in the concept that was provided by the coding part in a program, like what is it and like how to do that problem solving part, understand the code. Rather than understanding the code, I was like memorizing the code rather than doing its problem solving. So I had the difficulties.
So you knew about the language, but you did not know how to approach the problem.
Yes, like all the conditions, that if and else and all the for loops, like I was not able to put in structure, layout for it, for the program to run and compile.
Okay. So let's hear from you. Please tell us about yourself and program.
My name's Wafaa. I'm doing bachelor in software engineering, second year. The programming bootcamp, I think, is a great idea. I first learned about it, I think, on Facebook, and immediately I knew I have to do this. It did turn out to be what I expected it to be, recapping on basic concepts of C++ programming. It provided everything that I needed to start the next semester. Yes, it should continue, definitely continue every year, if not before every semester. Also, boot camps about other languages would be useful. I would definitely attend those.
Okay, some of the topics that you were not very familiar or some confusions there, any topics that you was enlightening to you?
Yes, classes and basic file input output. Structs, classes, inheritance, friendship, all these. I needed to look into these, and I did get to do that this week.
How about you, Sumit?
I was having difficulties in functions and like the structures of function, how to implement it, passing by reference and passing by values. Also that about the classes, like the friendship, the protected one, and private, public, how to implement the function to have a good coding program.
So any advice you have for students that are weak in programming?
First of all, don't cram the coding part. Understand the concept, do the problem solving, and just set an example for junior students who are doing coding, that not to copy and do the stuff that you are not able to do, but you should understand that concepts first.
And how will they go about understanding the concepts? Wafaa? How do you go about understanding the concept?
First thing, read the textbook, understand the theory part of it, and then look at sample programs, good programs written by professionals, and try to understand those.
What sort of support do you get online apart from the textbook?
Lots of sample codes, lots of people who get stuck doing their assignments and then ask questions.
What's your view on the online videos, for example, from Khan Academy and related sites?
Very, very useful.
Very useful?
Yes.
Have you access to them?
Well, we have access some, yes. Because for assignment is better to do. For example, like having a code. Example code for assignment. It's like a tree tube, like a tree that shades you for like errors and stuff. You can be yeah.
Any advice for new students about programming?
Students coming straight out of high school, I don't think you get taught much programming in high school. In PG, try to see online videos of programming in C++ because that's what we usually start with in university. So try doing some programming, basic programs on your own before you start uni. That should be helpful.
That's true.
Anything
That's
else you would like to say? That's it? You go on.
I don't know about the past years of programming students, but this year I'm very happy we're getting lots of support from our lecturers. It's very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.